Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Inshallah,
وعليكم السلام وبركاته.
today we will learn Ad-Darsul Ashir. Ashir means, Ashara means 10. Ashir is 10th. Ashara, Ain, Shin, Ra. Ashara means 10. Al-Ashir means 10th, 10th lesson. Okay, in this lesson, mainly we are going to learn possessive pronouns. What is possessive pronouns? Possessive pronouns. In English, his book, her book, your book, my book, our book. Correct? This is a possessive pronoun. We will learn how we will use this possessive pronoun in Arabic. Okay. Basically, this lesson 10 is 10th lesson is a conversation between Hamid and Muhammad. It is a conversation between Hamid and Muhammad. Hamid, man anta? Man anta? Who are you? You is different, yours is different. You is pronoun, your is possessive pronoun. Muhammadun, Muhammad replied. Hamid is asking, man anta? Who are you? Muhammad replied, Ana talibun bil jami'ati. Ana talibun bil jami'ati. Jami'a, university, correct? Jamia, university. Madrasa, school. University. I'm a student in B, right? It's a harful jar. We can translate in English either in or at. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Actually, it is Bi ismi Allah. Bi ismi Allah. That's what we are saying. Bismillah. Alif is Hamzatul Wasl. We have learned. Right? So, Bismillah. Bi ismi. Bismillah, not Bismillah. Bismillah. Why? B is harful jar. B is harful jar. That's why we are giving ismu, ismi, because of the B. B is harful jar. The translation will be either in or at. In the name of Allah. Name means ismu. Allah, Allah's name. Okay, I will write it. B ismi Allah. Ismu Allah. Allah's name. B is harful jar. In the name of Allah. Bismillahi. Why Bismillahi? It is a possessive. Mudafun ilayhi. Allah's name. In the Allah's name. So B is harful jar. Ismu is majrur and mudaf. Allahi is mudafun ilayhi. Okay. So B bil jami'a. Ana talibun bil jami'ati means I'm a student in the university. I'm a student in the university. So the B is harful jar. We can translate it either in or at. In the university. I am a student. Ana, I am. Talibun, student. Be in. Al Jamiati, the university. I am a student in the university. Hamid. Hamid is asking, أأنت طالب جديد؟ أأنت طالب جديد? Are you new student? نعت منوط. Okay? نعت. This is منعوت. New student. Adjective. أأنت طالب جديد? Are you a new student? Muhammad replied, نعم. Yes. أنا طالب جديد. نعم. Yes. أنا طالب جديد. I am a new student. حميد. من أين أنت؟ من أين أنت? From. Min is from, correct? أين, where? أنت, you. From where are you? That means where are you from? Where are you from? Min is from. Aina. Min is from. Aina, where? Anta, you. From where you. That means where are you from? Okay, where are you from? Muhammad replied, Ana minal Hindi. Hindi means India. Hind. India. Ana minal Hindi. I am from India. I am from India. Min is harful jar. That's why Hindi. Ana minal Hindi. I am from India. Now, ma ismuka. Ma ismuka. What is, ma is what? Your name. Ka. Ka is your. Okay. Possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun. In Arabic, we will call it as a attached pronoun. We will call it as a attached pronoun. Why? It always, these possessive pronouns in Arabic always attached to the previous noun. The other noun, this is also pronoun, but this is a detached pronoun. You, I, we, he, she. We have learned, right? Anta, hua, all are detached pronoun. In Arabic, attached. Okay, we have learned detached pronoun first. Detached pronoun. What are they? He, who, correct? We have learned. She, here, correct? Then, ana, I. Ana, just now we have learned, okay? I. Ana. You are anta. You in Arabic, anta. Anta. These are detached pronoun. In Arabic, we call it as a detached pronoun. That means Ad-Damairul pronouns. Plural. Huh? Ad-Damairul Munfasila. Munfasila means it's a detached. Munfasila. Ad-Damairul Munfasila. detached pronoun. But these possessive pronouns are called as attached pronoun. Attached pronoun. Why? It always attached to the previous noun. Muttasila. We say ad-dhamairul muttasila. Muttasilatun. Ad-dhamairul muttasilatun. We have to copy the same here, okay? Ad-dhamair muttasila, attached pronoun. Attached pronoun means is a in English possessive pronoun, which is his book, her book, your book, my book, our book, or these are all possessive pronoun. In Arabic, we will call it as attached pronoun because it always attached to the noun. Ma is mukha, ka is your, ka is your, okay? Ka means your masculine. What is your noun or your name? What is your name? Ismi means my. If you put ya, is my. Ismi Muhammadun. My name is Muhammad. Ka is your name. Your. Ye is me, my name. For example, Qalamun. Qalamun is what? Pen, correct? If you say Qalami is my pen. Another one good example, Rabbu. Rabbu means a Lord, correct? Lord. Rabbi, my Lord. This is a possessive pronoun. Rabbi, oh my Lord. Okay. Rabbana, na is we, our Lord. Rabbu na. This lesson we are not going to learn this, but na Rabbu plus e Rabbi, my Lord. Rabbu plus na Rabbuna, our Lord. Okay. So in this lesson we are going to practice these two only. Ka and e. Ka and e. Qalamuka, your pen. Qalamuka, your pen. Then how do you say your book? Kitabuka. Kitabu is book. Kitabuka is your book. This pronoun always joined will come joined to the noun. Okay. That's why attached to the noun. That's why we called it as a attached pronoun. Ismi, my name. Ismuka, your name. Hamid is asking, Ma ismuka, what is your name? Muhammad replied, Ismi Muhammadun. Ismi Muhammadun. My name is Muhammad. This is the main thing we are learning in this lesson. Okay. Then Hamid. Waman hadal fata alladhi ma'aka. Fata means young man, young boy or young man. Okay. Young boy or young man. Youth. Okay. Waman hadal fata alladhi. Alladhi, who? Relative pronoun we already learned in previous lesson. Waman hadal fata alladhi ma'aka. Who is this young man who is ma'a with? Ka is with you. With you. So this is the attached pronoun. Ma'aka. Ma'a means with. Ma'aka with you. وَمَنْ هَذَا الْفَتَى الَّذِي مَعَكَ? Who is this young man who is with you? Muhammad replied, Huwa zamili. Zamilun means classmate or colleague. If it is office, it will be, we can translate as a colleague. Since we are talking about Talib, student, school, so we will translate it as a classmate. My classmate, ye, attached pronoun. Okay. In Arabic, sorry, in English is a possessive pronoun. Zamili, my classmate. Huwa is a detached pronoun. Ye is attached pronoun. Okay. Huwa is detached pronoun. Ye is attached pronoun because this will always attach to the previous noun. Huwa zamili. He is my classmate. He is my classmate. Zamilun is zamilun. Zamilun means classmate or colleague. Hamid. Ahuwa aidan min al-Hindi? Hamzatul istifham, question mark, symbol. Hamza. Ahuwa aidan means also. Ahuwa aidan, is he also? Min al-Hindi, from India? Is he also from India? La, huwa min al-Yabani. Huwa min al-Yabani. Yaban means Japan. Yaban, Japan. La, he is, la, no, he is from Japan. From Japan. Ma ismuhu. Ismuhu means his. So we have seen ismuka, your. Ismi, my. His is ismuhu. Okay. Who. Ma ismuhu. That means masmuhu. Hamza is Hamzatul Wasl. So when it comes in between, we would not read it, pronounce it. Masmuhu. What is his name? What is his name? Ismuhu. Here we will pronounce the alif because it is at the starting of the sentence. Ismuhu Hamzatu. Ismuhu Hamzatu. His name is Hamza. His name is Hamza. Okay. Hamza is boy name, correct? Masculine name. We have learned earlier all the masculine boys' names, male name will end with tanween, correct? Muhammadun, Yasirun, Ammarun. Meanwhile, all the feminine noun, proper noun, will ends with without tanween. That means Zainabu, Fatimatu, something like that. Okay? Jamilatu. We should not say Jamilatun because it is a feminine noun. Boy's name, male name, we will always use the tanween. Hamidun, Muhammadun. Even here, when we read Hamidun, Muhammadun. But here, Hamzatu is without tanween. Is it printing mistake? No. This is an exception rule. Okay? This is a exception rule. What is the exception rule? Those names ending with ta marbuta, those names ending with ta, we will consider it, we will use the feminine rule. those male name ending with ta, we will apply the feminine rule when we write. So we would not give tanween here, hamzatun. Ustad, this is the boy's name, boy name, male name. So Hamidun, Muhammadun, Hamzatun, no. Since it ends with ta, you know, ta is a feminine symbol. So we will give feminine rule to this. That means what is the feminine name rule? It will not take tanween. So here also we will just write dhamma. Don't give dhamma time. Okay. It's just exception rule. Muawiyatu, Muawiyah radiyallahu anhu, Muawiyatu. It's a Sahaba, Muawiyah radiyallahu anhu. But when we say Muawiyah, we say Muawiyatu. Don't say Muawiyatun, because it's ending with ta. We say only Muawiyatu. Okay. Hamid. Hamid. Ma lughatuka ya Muhammad. Ma lughatuka ya Muhammad. Lugha, language. Ha, your. Ma lughatuka, what is your language? Ya Muhammad, oh Muhammad. Ya Muhammadu. Why Muhammadu? If ya comes, then we will give single dhamma. Ya Muhammadu. It's because of ya. Ma lughatuka ya Muhammadu. Here Muhammadun. Here Muhammadu. Why here don't have a ya? Here it has a ya. So we will, those name followed by ya, we will give single dhamma only. We would not give tanween. Hamid. Hamid is asking, Ma lughatuka ya Muhammad. What is your name, O Muhammad? Okay. Before go to the next page, shall we repeat this first page once again? Okay. I think you can read along with me. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ad-Darsul Ashir. Ad-Darsul Ashir. 10th lesson. Hamidun. Man anta. Man anta. Who are you? Muhammad. Replying. Ana twalibun bil jami'ati. Ana twalibun bil jami'ati. I am a student in university. Hamid. Hamidun. Anta twalibun jadidun. Anta twalibun jadidun. Are you a new student? Are you a new student? Muhammad replied, Naam. Yes. Ana twalibun jadidun. Ana twalibun jadidun. Yes, I am a new student. Then Hamid. Min aina anta. Min aina anta. Where are you from? Min is from. Aina, where? You. Where are you from? Muhammad replied, Muhammadun. Ana minal Hindi. Ana minal Hindi. I am from India. I am from India. Hamid. Masmuka. This is the possessive pronoun. Zamili. Then who. These three things we are learning in this lesson. Masmuka. What is your name? What is your name? Masmuka. What is your name? Muhammad. Ismi. Ismi. My name is. My name is Muhammad. Hamid. Hamidun. ومن هذا الفتى الذي معك ومن هذا الفتى الذي معك Who is this young man who is with you? Muhammadun هو زميلي هو زميلي He is my classmate. Hamid أهو أيضا من الهندي أهو أيضا من الهندي Is he also from India? Muhammad لا No هو من الياباني هو من الياباني Yaban Japan He is from Japan No he is from Japan Hamid Masmuhu Masmuhu What is his name? Who? His name Muhammad His name Ismuhu Ismuhu His name is Hamzatu. His name is Hamza. Okay. So in this page, we have learned three possessive pronoun. In the first page, 3 possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns. Then 2 new words. 1 harful jar, B, correct? B is a harful jar. Third is Hamzatu, will not take the male name ends with ta. The male names ends with ta. So it will not take tanween, correct? These 3 things we have learned in the first page. Got it? The new vocabularies, Jamia we already learned. Fata, Fata is a new word. Fata, Zamil. Fata means young man. Zamilun, classmate or colleague. Since we are talking about schools and university, so we will translate it as a classmate. But if we are talking in related to office, right, we will translate this Zamilun as a colleague. Yaban is Japan. Hind is India. Okay. The last word is Hamidun ma lugatuka ya Muhammadu. What is your language, O Muhammad? Before goes to the second page, can we have 5 minutes break? Currently time is 3 o'clock. We will take 5 minutes break. Back in 3:05. No need to cut off. You just hold on. So last we have seen Hamid is asking, Ma lugatuka ya Muhammadu. What is your language, O Muhammad? Muhammad is replying, Lugati. Lugatun means language. Lugati means my language. Al-Urdiyatu. My language is Urdu language. If our language is English, we can say Lugati al-Ingliziyatu. If Tamil, we can say al-Tamiliyatu. Lugati at-Tamiliyatu. English al-Ingliziyatu. Okay. Lugati, my language is al-Urdiyatu, Urdu. Hamid, ahiya lugatun sahlatun. Ahiya, is it? Why here? Because lugatun is feminine. Lugatun is feminine. So here, is it lugatun sahlatun, easy language, adjective. We are giving easy to adjective to the lugat. So man'ut na'at. Remember, it should match with four things. Alif lam, then masculine, masculine, or feminine, feminine. Then case, haraka, count. Count is singular, singular. Ahiya lughatun sahlatun. Is it easy language? Muhammad, Muhammadun. Naam. Hiya lughatun sahlatun. It is easy language. It is easy language. Hamid. Wa hamzatu hamza. Ma lughatuhu. Who means his. Ka. Sorry. Yours. Mine. Ma lughatuhu. What is his language? Who? His. His language. Wa hamza, and Hamza. What is his language? Muhammadun. Lughatuhu. His language is al-Yabaniyatu. Al-Yabaniya is al-Lughatul Yabaniya, Japanese. They have printed here. Don't think it's a printing mistake. It's not a printing mistake. Just showing this is the Japanese language. Al-Lughatul Yabaniyatu. If they have put a circle or a square, it will be easy to identify, right? This is the Japanese language. Al-Lughatul Yabaniya. Japanese language. Yabaniya, Japanese. Lugha. This is the Japanese language. Muhammadun. Lughatuhu al-Yabaniyatu. His language is Japanese. Wahiya. And it is lughatun su'abatun. Su'abun means hard. Sahlun, easy. Sahlun, easy. Su'abun, hard. Opposite. Why su'abatun? Because lughatun is a feminine, so we will bring it in the feminine form. Su'abun, sahlun. Sahlun is easy. Su'abun, hard. Wahiya lughatun su'abatun. It is hard language, difficult language. You can say hard or difficult language, hard language. Hamid. Aina abuka ya Muhammad? Aina abuka ya Muhammad? Where is your father? Your father. This is his. This is ya. Okay. Aina abuka ya Muhammad? Where is your father, O Muhammad? Where is your father, O Muhammad? Muhammad replied, Muhammadun. Abi. Abuka, Abi, my father, fil Kuwaiti, Kuwait. He is in Kuwait. Okay. He is in Kuwait. Huwa tabibun shahirun. Shahir means famous. Shahir means famous. Okay. Huwa tabibun shahirun. He's a famous doctor. Muhammad. Hamidun. Aina ummuka? Aina ummuka? Where is your mother? Where is your mother? Aina ummuka? Aina ummuka? And where is your mother? Muhammadun replied, Hiya aidan, she is also. Hiya aidan means she is also. Fil Kuwaiti, in Kuwait. Ma'a with abi, with my father. Aina ummuka, where is your mother? Here aidan, she is also fil Kuwaiti, because fi is harful jar. Fil Kuwaiti, ma'a abi, with my father. Abu, okay. There are two words. Abu. Okay, now Abi, my father. Here, mudarrisatun hunaka. Here, mudarrisatun, female teacher. Teacher, huh? Satun is feminine form because ummu is feminine. Here, she is hunaka, there. There. She is teacher there. She is teacher there. Hamidun wa aina ummuka, where is your mother? Muhammadun hiya aidan fil Kuwaiti ma'abi. She is also in Kuwait with my father. Hiya mudarrisatun hunaka. She is a teacher there. Hamid. Adhahabta. Okay. This is the second. In this page, we are learning the very first method. We have seen dhahaba, right? Dhahaba, went, correct? Dhahaba, went. Kharaja, exit, went out. Kharaja. Then we have seen jalasa, correct? Jalasa, he said. Jalasa is all he went, correct? Then he exited. He sat. Okay. In this lesson, we are going to learn you went. How do you write you went? You went. Or how do you write you exited, went out? We can translate kharaja as went out. Or you sat. How do we say you went out, you sat? Okay. Just add a tha. Just add a tha and put the sukun for the last letter. Dhahabta. Dhahabta means you went. Dhahabta means you went. Dhahabta. Ba sukun, you have to give sukun. Dhahabta. Then kharajta. Kharajta. Kharajta means you went out. Jalasta. Jalasta. Jalasta means you sat. Okay. Dhahabta, kharajta, jalasta. In this, if you bring this syntax right, so dhahaba become dhahabta, you went. Adhahabta ila al-Kuwaiti ya Muhammad? Adhahabta, are you went? Do you went? Ila al-Kuwaiti, to the Kuwait? O Muhammad? Do you went to Kuwait, O Muhammad? Naam. I went. How do we say I went? Dhahabtu. This is dhahabatu, not dhahabatu. It's supposed to be dhahabtu, okay? Dhahabtu. Dhahabtu means I went. Okay? Kharajtu, I went out. Jalastu, I sat. Jalasta, you sat. If you just say jalasa, he sat. Okay. Dhahabtu. Dhahabtu means I went. Naam, I went. Hamidun. Adhahabta ilal Kuwaiti ya Muhammadu. Do you went to Kuwait, O Muhammad? Muhammad. Muhammadun. Naam, yes. Dhahabtu, I went. Dhahabtu, I went. Then وَزَمِيلُكَ Hamidun. وَزَمِيلُكَ and your classmate. Aina abuhu. Where is his father? وَزَمِيلُكَ and your classmate. Aina abuhu. Where is his father? Muhammadun replied, Abuhu. His father is Fil Yabani. Fil Yabani. In Japan. His father is in Japan. Huwa tajirun kabirun. Huwa tajirun kabirun. He is big merchant. He's a big merchant. Wazamiluka and your classmate. Aina abuhu. Where is his father? Muhammadun. Abuhu fil Yabani. His father is in Japan. Huwa tajirun kabirun. He is a big merchant. Okay, then Hamidun. Alaka akhun ya Muhammadu. Alaka. Do you have? Belongs to you. That means you have. Have you brother? Do you have a brother, O Muhammad? Muhammad replied, Naam. Yes. Li. Li means belongs to, right? Li means belongs to me. I have. We can translate as a I have. Okay. Belongs to me or I have. I have akhun wahidun. Akhun wahidun. Wahid means one. Akhun wahidun. I have one brother. I have one brother. Ismuhu Usamatu. Usama is a male name, but is ending with ta marbuta ta. So we will not give tanween. We will give only a single dhamma. Ismuhu Usamatu. His name is Usama. Wahuwa ma'i. He is with me. Hina. Hina means here. Hunaka, there. Hina, here. Huna or hina. Okay. Wahuwa ma'i. Hina. Huna. He is with me here. Fil Madinatil Munawwarati. Fil Madinatil Munawwarati. Madinatul Munawwara. Makkatul Mukarrama. They say Makkah is Makkatul Mukarrama. Madina is Madinatul Munawwara. Brightened city. Okay. Wahuwa ma'i huna. He is with me here in Madinatul Munawwara. Next, wali ukhtun wahidatun. See, akhun is masculine, so we will bring wahidun only. But ukhtun is feminine, we will add a ta. We put a wahid with the feminine noun, wahidatun. Wali ukhtun wahidatun. I have one sister. I have one sister. Ismuha Zainabu. Ha. New one, huh? Her name. Her name is Ha. So we have learned 1, 2, 3, 4 possessive pronouns. His means who. Ismuhu, his name. Ismuha, her name. Qalamuha, her pen. Kitabuha, her book. Okay. Ismuha Zainabu. Her name is Zainab. Her name is Zainab. وهي في العراق. Iraq. Iraq. وهي في العراق. She's in Iraq. مع زوجها. زوج means husband. Okay. زوج means husband. Her. With her husband. وهي في العراق. She is in Iraq with her husband. زوجها. Her. Her husband is زوج means husband. زوجتun is wife. زوجتun. زوجتun is wife. Just زوجun is husband. Okay. زوجun husband. زوجتun wife. زوجها. Her husband is muhandisun. Muhandisun engineer. Her husband is engineer. So alaka akhun ya Muhammad. Do you have a brother, O Muhammad? Muhammadun replied, Naam, yes. Li akhun wahidun. I have a brother, one brother. Ismuhu. His name is Usamatu. Usama. Wahuwa. He is ma'i. With me. Hina. Here. Fil Madinatil Munawwara. Here in Madinatul Munawwara. Wali ukhtun wahidatun. And I have one sister. One sister. Ismuha. Her name is Zainabu. Zainab. Wahiya. She is, and she is fil Iraqi. In Iraq. Ma'a zawjiha. With her husband. With her husband. Zawjuha muhandisun. Her husband is engineer. Her husband is engineer. So Muhammadun. Hamidun asking. Hamidun alaka akhun ya Muhammad. Have you a brother, O Muhammad? Muhammadun replied, Naam, yes. Li akhun wahidun. I have one brother. Ismuhu Usamatu. His name is Usama. Wahuwa ma'i hina fil Madinatil Munawwarati. He is with me here in Madinatul Munawwara. Wa li ukhtun wahidatun. And for I have one sister. Her name is Zainabu. Wahiya fil Iraqi. She is in Iraq. Ma'a zawjiha. With her husband. Zawjuha muhandisun. His husband is an engineer. Next page. Hamidun. Hamid asking, A'indaka sayyaratun ya akhi. A'indaka sayyaratun. Inda also with or I have. Do you have? Do you have? A'indaka. Do you have a car, O akhi, O brother? Ya akhi means O my brother. A'indaka sayyaratun ya akhi. His car is with you, O my brother. That means, do you have car? Have you a car, O brother? Muhammadun replied, La, no. Ma indi. Ma indi means with me, I have. Ma indi. Ma is don't translate as a what. No. This ma is ma hada. What is this? No. This ma is do not have, not negation. This ma is not integration, but it is a negation. Ma indi, I do not have. Ma indi means, ma means don't have, don't. I don't have. I don't have. Okay, ma indi, I don't have sayyaratun. I do not have sayyara, car. Sayyara is car. Indi darrajatun. But with me, I have a cycle, bicycle. Darrajatun, bicycle. Hamzatu, Hamza, indahu sayyaratun. He has a car. Hamzatu, with him. We can, inda is with him. That means he has. He has a car. Hamza, he has a car. Indaka sayyaratun ya akhi? Do you have a car, oh my brother? Muhammadun replied, La, ma indi sayyaratun. I do not have a car. Indi darrajatun. I have a bicycle. Hamza, Hamza, indahu sayyaratun. He has a car. Okay. So this ma is not a question mark ma. This is a negation. Negation ma. Okay. That means do indi means I have. Ma indi means I do not have. I don't have. So in the second page, we have learned feminine in the verb. How do we say you went and I went? Dhahabta, dhahabtu. Alright. Then li, laka means, okay, actually li, right? When the li comes with pronouns, the possessive pronoun, it will become a la, except li, okay? Lahu, laka, li only we will consider as a li. Here, this will become laka. So a laka means, don't say what is the meaning of la. Actually, this is a li, okay? When it's joined with possessive pronoun, except my, okay? Except my. The others, we will change the haraka to la. Alaka means alika, okay? Since it comes with the possessive pronouns, li change to la, okay? Laka means I have. Indi also with me. Then we learn ha, ismuha, her name. Ismuha, her name. Ismuhu, his name. Indaka, with you. That means, do you have? Ma indi, I do not have. Indi, I have. Indahu, he has. With him or he has. Okay. Fine. That's it for lesson 10. Then tamarin. Ajib anil as'ilatil atiyati. Exercise 1. Answer the following question. Atiyati, following. As'ilati, questions. Answer the following questions. Here they have asked you like ma ismuka, masmuka, what is your name? Ma lugatuka, what is your language? Aina ummuka, where is your mother? Alaka ukhtun, do you have a sister? Indaka darrajatun, do you have a bicycle? Indaka daftar, daftar means notebook, okay? Daftarun means notebook, register, whatever it is. Indaka daftarun, do you have a notebook? Min aina Muhammadun, where Muhammad is from? Aina abuhu, where is his father? Min aina Hamzatu, where Hamza is from? Then here, min aina anta, masmuka, min aina anta, where are you from? Aina abuka, where is your father? Alaka akhun, do you have a brother. A'indaka sayyaratun. Do you have a car? Oh, sorry. We should have read like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wrongly I read it. Masmuka, what is your name? Min aina anta, where are you from? Ma lugatuka, what is your language? Aina abuka, where is your father? Aina ummuka, where is your mother? Alaka akhun, do you have a brother? Alaka ukhtun, do you have a sister? Indaka sayyaratun, do you have a car? Indaka darrajatun, do you have a bicycle? Indaka qalamun, do you have a pen? Indaka daftarun, do you have a notebook? Abuka tajirun, is your father merchant? Min aina Muhammadun, Muhammad is where Muhammad is from. Ma lugatuhu. Okay, until here you can answer to your own words. Okay, like ma ismuka, ismi, you can put your own name. Min aina anta, you can put I'm from London, or if you want to put in the whatever city, you can put I am from so and so. Ma lugatuka, what is your name? So you fill up your own answers. Okay, until 12. From 13, min aina Muhammadun, then you can copy a answer from the upside, the lessons. Min aina Muhammadun, where Muhammad is from. Ma lugatuhu, what is his language? Aina abuhu, where is his father? Aina ummuhu, where is his mother? Min aina Hamzatu, where Hamza is from. Ma lugatuhu, what is his language? Aina abuhu, where is his father? Aina Zainabu, where is Zainab? Aina zawjuha, where is her husband? Zawju mudarrisun, is her husband is teacher? Okay, answer. Take this as a homework assignment. You can read and verbal also. Record, send it to me. Is it? Jazakumullah khairan kathira. If you have any doubts, you can feel free to put in the chat. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.